mid-60s this morning. She was really wishful thinking. She meant mid-90s.
By the way, the studio looks like a funeral parlor at the moment.
Hey.
We could have Chris Lynn in stage.
With my pacemaker.
Pacemaker.
Yes.
Go ahead and lay for the dirt nap. Yeah. Well, they're big, beautiful, and some can even change color. We're talking about hydrangeas.
Yeah, they're so big. In fact, we had to move one down here because it was covering us all up. Richard Weber from Springhouse Gardens joins us with more on 3 must-haves for your flower garden this summer. Hey, Richard.
Yeah, hey guys. These are 3 brand new hydrangeas. You're not going to find them probably in too many places, but one of the ones down on the bottom with the really big flower heads is called Incrediball. That's the largest flowered Annabelle type hydrangea that's been put on the market, grown for its huge flower heads and sturdy stems, although it doesn't look like they're that sturdy there. On the same flower type up here, but where we are, this is the world's first pink Annabelle hydrangea. This one is called Invincibelle Spirit. The proceeds from any of the sales of these go to help promote breast cancer research. So it's a really cool, it's a pink ribbon plant. We've never had a pink Annabelle hydrangea before. And what's interesting about that is you could cut this plant to the ground every year, and every year it comes up and it will bloom reliably on the new wood. So now, the Annabelles are fantastic.
If I remember from my Richard Weber tutorial,
right,
the bloom will change color depending upon the soil.
That is correct.
Alkaline content.
Ding,
Is that
ding,
correct?
you
That's correct,
right,
but not with this
Not with
type.
that one. That one's always pink.
This one's always going to be pink, and those are always going to be white. Maybe somewhere green to white. But that's the other type of called the macrophylla hydrangeas, like the Endless Summers, and those are the ones you can vary from pink to blue, depending upon what you do with the soil.
Gotcha.
But this one is the first of its kind, the pink Annabelle. The one down in front of us is a brand new one called White Diamonds, and that's a paniculata type of hydrangea, which is a type that likes the full sun. Most of these other ones want more shade, and they'll kind of wilt down if it's too hot and dry. This type will grow in the full sun. It's called White Diamonds.
I like that.
And it's a very compact form, only growing up about 4 to 5 feet tall, so it's great for even small gardens. Starting to bloom right now, will bloom all the way through about the end of August. So look for White Diamonds, Hydrangea paniculata. Great time to come out and get them. We're having a 30% off sale this whole weekend, starting today, going all the way through Sunday. So you can come out and get 30% off all plants.
So pleased with Lee's trivia. I mean, not only did
He's good with that.
well, and he also, right away, you knew those were hydrangeas, didn't you?
I did.
I mean, you didn't even, or did you look at the script?
No,
he's good.
We don't have a script.
Oh, that's right. Hey, if you want more information, just log on to Springhouse Gardens at 859-224-1417. You can also log on to springhousegardens.com. That part is on the script.
Yeah.
Richard, thank you, sir.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Back in just a minute.
#1 fan.